Preparing, generating, and distributing reports is a time-consuming process. Locating information from external sources, extracting and manipulating data that you need all takes time. Digital reporting from Eigen is for managers and engineers that would like to automate the information capture and distribution for regular meetings and reports. With digital reporting, you can automatically pull data such as plant conditions, yesterday's production, new work orders, forecasts, and targets into one easy-to-use template. With its simple user interface, users can create and maintain their own templates. Content can be reviewed, edited, and formatted using various tools. Different versions of the report can then be produced and sent to different sets of people using their preferred method. If you'd like to learn more about how digital reporting can streamline your reporting process, click Book a Demo at the top of the page.